with Preeti. So we are having a one session with you. So that is a wonderful thing for me. That's a good opportunity for me. So you will be become a part of my channel. So let's introduce ourselves first, so that our viewers can get know about you, and they know like how we are connected to each other. Yeah. So please introduce yourself, sir.
Definitely, definitely. First of all, I would like to say, madam, thank you so much for inviting me here. Okay,
Yeah.
and yes, so I'm going to introduce myself. Well, my name is Amri Israel. I'm from Bihar, but I have been working in Kuwait for a long time. My hobbies including I love learning English, meeting new people, and traveling. Moreover, I run YouTube channel where I upload English content. I believe that learning English is the foundation of success. That's why I put 100% effort into learning English. And every morning I get up with a new desire to improve myself. Yeah, that's all about you, ma'am, from my side. May I know about you?
Yeah, definitely. So my name is Preeti. I'm hailing in Indore. I was completed MBA 2011. Then I was working as a financial advisor. Now I'm not working. So I recently started my YouTube channel. Actually, when I start my journey, simultaneously I started my YouTube channel. So I'm
Mhm.
also upskilling myself. After upskilling, I will start my journey like as a career. So that is why like I also learning some new things. I try to connect with the co-learner, as well as I try to connect with other platform also, so that I can create a good content for my viewers. They can also learn by the listening. Actually we are here for the creating the podcast, so like people can learn by the podcast. When we are listening something, that time they can understand and they get new words also from the podcast. So that is why we are here. Okay, so what will you discuss? I think how you start your journey of communication. Like sometimes it's happen like we don't know how you can start. Like people want to learn this language, but they don't know how they can start their journey. So first we will
Mhm.
discuss about that. Then we will deep dive on the topic.
Mhm. So first you tell me, have you started recording or not? It is not showing on
Yes,
your screen.
yes. I have recorded, but I have a one software. So from that I am recording this session. Don't worry.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, so you are asking me about my English journey. Okay. So when I started my English journey, I was totally beginner and I neither I knew grammar nor speaking part. Really, I was totally perplexed. I didn't know that how to start and where to start. So first I learned grammar because I didn't know helping verb, what is the helping verb, what is the present, past, future. Then I learned some grammars like tenses, modal, conditional, passive. After that, whatever I knew at that time, I I was joined on the STAPI at that time. STAPI was running, so I started getting people, whatever I knew at that time. I tried to speak over there, and this way I learned so many things because I was getting partner every single day. So I was communicating every single day at that time. So starting time, I faced lots of problem. Okay, because I had hesitation, fear, and just because of hesitation and fear, I was not speaking English well. Okay, so after spending 2 years, I got confident and I have removed my hesitation and fear. After that, I am speaking well English, and you can observe me. Earlier, I was very timid, and it happens, with everyone starting
Yes,
time. Okay, and
everyone happen.
it you can say it might happen with you. Okay, I
Yes,
know
it's happen.
everything. So this is my whole English journey, but I never give up, and I
That
want
is
to
the good
say
thing, sir.
here, who is learning English and who does not know and who want to start, English journey, try to stay motivate and try to motivate their self. Definitely they can learn. It takes time. It is language. It takes time. It is not a subject. It is language. It takes time, and definitely if they are patient, if they are hungry, they can learn and then they can speak English. There is no doubt. If you have patience, you
Yes.
can learn.
Definitely, sir. I agree with your point, because like who are giving up. Actually, many people want to learn. They have started their journey also, but sometimes it's
Mhm.
happen like they are just giving up. Like when they are continuously like they was thinking like we are doing the monotonous thing. So they was thinking like we are bored, we are little bit bored from that. So actually everyone should be continue their journey. Like we have to take 15 minutes to 20 minutes for the conversation. Sometimes when you are getting any content, so you have to try to read it out English content. That is the good way to learning that. You don't know because it's a language. It's not a subject. Some people are thinking like it's a subject like. So they was thinking like it's a too bored like that. But if you are taking a language in that way, definitely you will learn this language, because when you are talking with someone else, so that time you feel like you got to know about to others also. Like I'm creating my channel so that I'm enhancing my skill. Like I'm trying to use new vocab. I'm trying to take some topics also. So that way I'm also learning. I'm getting new words also from that. If I whatever the new words is coming, so I just incorporate that word in my communication. That is the good way to learning this language. So I would like to
Wow,
ask
that's,
one question for you, like how it's come in your mind, like you have to start your YouTube channel, because I have seen many people have started their channel. They are inspired from others YouTuber, because I also inspired from I admire to other YouTuber. Then I started my YouTube channel. So how it's come in your mind?
okay. So when I was beginner at that time, I did not have YouTube channel. Okay. So when I used to give message, for the other person to have a conversation, so many times, I was, ignored. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And they used to ask me that, sir, do you have YouTube channel or not? Do you have YouTube channel or not? Just I used to say that, no, I don't have YouTube channel. I don't know, that is why I used to be ignored. Okay.
Okay.
And I was ignored many times. Then I thought, one of my friend told me, Israel, if you created YouTube channel, then really you will get partner to have a conversation, and this way you can improve yourself and you can grow your also YouTube channel. Okay.
Right.
Then I thought, I think it is required to create YouTube channel. After that, I created my YouTube channel. Okay. And I wanted to see myself also on the YouTube. Okay.
Okay.
That if
So
that if someone is here, why can't be I here? I
yes,
want to be here. Okay. I
definitely,
want
because
to I
yes.
wanted to show myself for the other. Okay.
Right. Because
Nowadays.
actually, like YouTube is the path. Like you want to learn this language, so you want to be a advanced. For the advanced level, you have to be conversation regularly with the other co-learners. So that is the good way to learn this language. Because it's a endless journey. We can't say like it's a when you achieve one level, like when you are fluent, then you was thinking like you have to be improve your grammar. When you will be achieve a second level, then you will think like I have to become a like a good vocab. Whenever we are facing to other person like who have a good communicator, who have a good advanced speaker, so that time we are hesitating. We was thinking like we are not nothing like that. So that is why like people are actually everyone should have created their channel, because this channel is creating the boost your confidence, as well as you can know like how you are standing, how to communicate to the other people, and you are getting better opportunity also. Like you will get the good
Right.
opportunity to conversation with the other co-learner, because before, without that, like I think nobody will connect with the other co-learner. Nobody will be getting like a good partner, like who want to speak well.
Right.
So we can understand and we can express our thought, and we can listen to others also, how they are speaking, how they are expressing their thoughts. We are getting so many things by the YouTube, because like I would like to ask one more question about to like you started YouTube channel. So what kind of content you are putting over there? Like it's a conversational video, or it's a shorts like that?
Actually, Actually, when I started my English YouTube channel, so YouTube channel, so I was beginner, and at that time I was learning English, so I thought I should create English content. Okay,
Okay.
so earlier I was uploading English content, and I still when say I I'm uploading English content. I
Hmm.
make conversation, after that I upload, and as well as
Okay.
I upload grammar videos also. Okay. So, madam, I have one question that,
Yes.
you must have been learning English for many years. So, did you ever feel monotonous? Oh my God, I'm not going to learn. It
Yeah.
takes lots of time. And did you feel
Actually,
monotonous?
I seriously tell about my journey. I started my journey 3 years back. That time, actually, I was learning this language for a interview purpose, not more than that. But from one
Okay.
and half month, I'm keen learning of this language, because I'm using this
Okay.
language on a whole day. So I can say like from 1.5 months I'm using this language whole day. Whenever I got chance to connect with the co-learners, so I try to connect with them. I try to connect other platform, Peer Up, Episode and S Fluency app. So I'm trying to connect the whole day because I'm upskilling within a 3 months myself. After that, because I have to be working something, so that is why after upskilling I will start by working, and I have created my YouTube channel. That is the side hustle, not a full time hustle, because I want to improve myself. So that is why I can connect with the co-learner. That is the good way to connect with the co-learner. Like if you have a YouTube channel, so you can create a good content for our viewers. Like you can create a some different kind of content, not related to the English conversational video. Maybe in future I can I can create a good content. Just a minute. Something is happening. Yeah. So
Okay,
like
okay.
when like I will create some content related, not related to the English content. Maybe in future I will create some motivational video, some investment related video. So that is why I created my channel, because I am learning this language. So I have seen many people are creating the conversational video. So that is also triggered to me. You have to start your channel so that I can
So
get
you
good public also by that.
you are also uploading English content?
Yes, I'm actually initially from when I started my channel, that time I started with the episode and platform. So wherever whatever the conversation we were doing there, so that will be uploaded on my channel. But nowadays I try to connect with the co-learners. Like at least I try to connect with the co-learners, so I can create at least 30 minutes, 45 minutes video with them, so that people can also
Okay,
learn by
okay,
this. That's why. But I didn't go for
okay.
the shorts.
So
I was also thinking about the shorts.
hmm, okay.
Yes.
So how long have you been having conversation, madam?
When I started my YouTube channel, that time I'm also having a conversation with the other co-learner, but that time I'm creating only 7 minute conversation with them, not more than that, because I'm not getting too
Only
much
seven
time. Yes,
minutes.
yes.
Only
Come on.
7 minutes.
Yeah, only 7 minutes. Actually, I'm getting only 7 minutes on the episode and platform. So whatever the conversation we were doing there, that will be upload on my
Mm-hmm.
channel on my channel. But nowadays, like I can create a 1 hour, more than 1 hour. If anyone is interested for talking, like both side conversation will be happen. So definitely I can create 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours also. I can be okay with this language. But before that, I'm not okay with this. Like at least 20 minutes or 30 minutes, I'm okay with this language before that. But now I'm okay like to take a conversation. At least I can hold the conversation for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or 1 2 hours also.
Okay.
Yes.
So it's been 3 years you have started your English journey, and you have improved a lot.
Not. Sorry,
And still,
Sorry for interrupt you, sir. Actually, I didn't start it from 3 years. 3 year back, I just took a one subscription of the S Fluency. So that time I started my journey. But on that time, like after that, I was working as a sub broker. So after that, I quit everything. But now it's I'm upskilling. I'm looking a job as a remote work. So that is why I was thinking like I have to be upskill myself. Then I will get better opportunity through online like remote work. That is why like from 1.5 months I will
okay.
be a consistent of this journey.
Mhm. Okay,
Yes.
okay. So after learning English, the way you are speaking it is really good, and you have improved a lot. So starting time, what kind of difficulty did you face when you were beginner?
Actually, I didn't face any kind of difficulties because it's a vocab. Actually, when we have a good vocab, so definitely you can express your thoughts in a good way. But if you don't have a good vocab, so that time when we are starting, that time I can speak a little bit, not a like whole conversation. Like I'm not comfortable to any kind of topic. But nowadays I can say I can be a comfortable any kind of topic if I'm getting. So I will be okay with that. I can express my thought about that. But before that, I'm just talking only a one-on-one conversation. But now if I'm getting a chance to going to the debate, so I'm okay with that. But before that, I'm not going for the any group conversation. But now I'm okay
Mm.
whenever I'm getting the chance. So I try to talk with the co-learners in a group. So that is also the good way to remove your hesitation.
Okay, okay, that is good. And how did you remove your hesitation? Because you must have had hesitation and fear. How did you remove while talking and while doing practice? How did you
While
remove?
if you actually when you are practicing your language continuously, if you are speaking, so you know very well like actually people are judging you. You can't judge by yourself. Like whenever you are speaking, you don't judge yourself like you are speaking well. But when other people are talking with you, then they can understand better. They can easily judge you like you are speaking well, like you are improving a lot.
Hmm.
That thing is happened with me. We
Wow,
can't
that's
judge
great.
myself.
That's
I think so. Yes.
okay. So, do you have any question for me, ma'am?
Okay, so we can deep dive on the topic. Actually, we didn't discuss any topic. So I want to discuss about like you are from which place? Aligarh?
I am from Bihar.
Bihar. Okay.
I am from Bihar,
So
but
like
right now I am in Kuwait. I think you must have heard
Kuwait.
about Kuwait. It is Gulf
Yes, yes.
country.
Yes, yes. I heard the name, but I didn't
Yes,
ever visited there. So like you are working there in Kuwait?
yes, yes. I have been working here for a long time.
Okay. So what kind of work over there you are doing?
Actually, I am a pigeon trainer. I train the pigeon bird. Do you know?
Yeah, yeah. I know
Pigeon,
that.
actually, pigeon I train in Kuwait. So I am a trainer of the pigeon. I train the pigeon.
So
Okay.
what kind
The
of
first
training you are giving?
hmm. I teach of the pigeon in Arabic language. So first when I came here, so first I had to learn Arabic for Arabic. So I am able to speak Arabic language.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I teach them Arabic language. After that, I call them. Okay, if I say ta'bi, so they listen to me. They come to me.
Okay, like I think like peasants also learn this language from you, right? Like people, peasants
Mm-hmm.
like
Right,
they
right, right.
also understand like whatever we are
But
speaking again and again. Like as a child,
mm,
they are also learning, right?
mm. Definitely. But when I call them with other language, but they don't listen to me at that time.
Okay,
But when I speak at that time, they listen to me and then come to me.
okay, because they understand your language, now. Whatever you have to
Mm,
start
mm,
initiating language, so that time they understand better this language, not other language. So that is why they understand like when you are speaking the Arabian language.
mm,
So that time they understand like you are saying something, so that they are just giving the accent to you,
mm.
right?
Definitely, because we are Indian, so our native language is Hindi. If someone calls you in support, calls you with other language, definitely at that time you will be not able to understand that time, right? So
Yes,
first we
yes.
have to learn understanding anything.
So people understand better way like you are saying Arabian language, so they understand better.
Yes, they understand in a better way.
So like you are giving, you are teaching to them. So what like what is the difficulty you have faced with the pigeon?
Mhm. Okay, so when I came to first time, so I didn't know that how to train the pigeon, even though
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know what is the Arabic language. Okay,
Okay.
so it took for three years to learn Arabic language. Okay, and I
Mm-hmm.
had to learn somehow, and nowadays I can speak. So when I came here, so I didn't know how to train the pigeon. Then my boss told me, Ajral, don't worry. Okay, I will teach you. Then I was taught how to train the pigeon by my boss. After that, I got to know this way I can train the pigeon. Okay. Then gradually I started training the pigeon. Now can say I am a trainer. I am a trainer.
That's a wonderful
Okay.
thing because you
Now I
already
can
learn
train the
third
pigeon.
language nowadays, right? So you already know the mother tongue, and
Anything starting time, you must face some problem.
yes, yes, I
Okay,
agree.
starting time, you must have, faced some problem. I faced lots of problems starting time. It happens. But when you leave, you will not going to improve. Okay.
Yes.
But if we don't leave, definitely you will improve a lot.
Definitely,
Okay. And it
because
happens.
you already learn two language. I think one language is Arabia, second is language is English. So that is
Yeah,
typical
yeah,
difficult to learn
definitely.
because you
Mm.
have faced so many challenges. I think so.
Yeah. When I came to Kuwait, so two languages are new for me.
Yes.
And I am very habitual to learn any language. That is why I am learning English language. And I hope, I have improved a lot because when I was beginner, I was not able to speak a single word. But I have improved a lot and I have confidence. I can talk with any person. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah, that's a wonderful thing.
Okay.
Like you are learning two language. That is nobody think about to learn different languages. When you are giving your time to language, so I think that is the too much time you have to give, not a small time. Like when you go for the like 1 month or 2 months, so like nobody can learn this language because who are starting their language with the scratch, so they have faces lots of difficulties, but they know the well of this language, so they can understand better, and then they can easily grasping that language. That thing is happen.
Mhm.
So would you like to ask
Yeah,
any
yeah,
question for
definitely.
me?
Definitely, I'm totally agree with you. It depends on the on person to person. Okay, if you are hunger, if you have patience, if you are a consistency, so definitely you can learn anything, any language, any subject. You can learn so many things. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
if you are failing again, it's mean you are learning something from the failure.
Right,
Okay.
right, right, right. Because it's happened when we are using continuously same sentences, so it's automatically
Mhm.
coming our tongue naturally. When we are
Yeah,
using this
definitely.
language, so we are putting the efforts. But when we are using same thing again and again, so it means like it will be coming naturally in our tongue. That thing is happened.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, definitely. Yeah. So when I was in Bihar, so I used to sell vegetables. Then I got fail. Then I started using selling fruits. Then I got fail. When I
Okay.
went to Mumbai, I started doing work. I got fail. I failed so many times. Okay, but
So like
when I came to Kuwait, so I got success. But still, I have experience so how to get success.
yeah, sir.
So
Like if you are
failure
failing,
will
sir.
teach you.
Yes, yes. Like if you are failing something, so that's why you are learning something. If you are not failure, so
Hmm.
you are not learning. For become a successful in your life,
Definitely.
you have to be failure in your life. If you are not failure, so you can't be succeed in your life. It's happened with everyone. Not about you, not about
Mhm.
me. Everyone is getting the failure in their life. Not about like in a study level. When we are in a student level, that time
Mhm.
we also faces like we are also failure. Not like we are not getting good marks. So that is also the failure like that. So then we are achieving the good marks. We are thinking of that how to achieve that level, how to achieve to success. Like when we are going for the job, that time we are also thinking like we have to going for the job. So what kind of things we have to upskill? Like now I'm learning this language, so I'm upskilling myself. I can be upskilled, so definitely I will get better opportunity. So I don't want to be a failure like that. So that thing is happen
Mhm.
with everyone. Yeah.
Right, right. Definitely, definitely. Yeah. Okay, so we have crossed lots of minutes, I think. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
I'm getting one call over and over. So I think
Okay, sir. Thank you so much
it is
for
a call, so
being a
I'm going to
part.
pick up this call.
Yes. Yes, yes. Thank you so much
Okay.
for being a part
So
of my channel. And it's an insightful conversation. Like people can learn this language, like how you learn this language, they also learn by this video. Thank you so much.
yeah, definitely, definitely, definitely.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
madam.
you. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Okay.